Hello, I'm Doug Murray, your local computer technician. Today we're going to discuss a simple yet effective upgrade that can breathe new life into your old computer, replacing a traditional hard drive with a solid-state hard drive, or SSD. You might be wondering, why replace the hard drive? Well, the hard drive is often the bottleneck in your computer's performance. It's where all your data is stored, and the speed at which your computer can access this data is crucial. Traditional hard drives with their spinning disks and read-write heads can only operate so fast. Enter this SSD. Unlike traditional hard drives, SSDs have no moving parts. They use flash memory to store data, which provides faster data access times. When you click on an application, it loads almost instantly. File transfers that used to take minutes now take seconds. Boot times are significantly reduced. In short, everything feels snappier and more responsive. But it's not just about speed. SSDs are also more reliable than traditional hard drives. Because they have no moving parts, they're less prone to mechanical failure. This means your data is safer on an SSD. They're also more resistant to physical shock, which is a bonus if you're prone to knocking your computer around. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but isn't it expensive? Not necessarily. While SSDs used to be quite pricey, costs have come down significantly in recent years. And when you consider the performance boost and the potential for extending the life of your computer, it's often a worthwhile investment. So how do you go about making the switch? It's simpler than you might think. With the right tools and a bit of time, you can clone your existing hard drive to an SSD, swap the drives, and be up and running within minimal downtime. And if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, a computer technician like myself can handle it for you. In conclusion, if you're frustrated with a slow computer and you're considering buying a new one, consider an SSD upgrade first. It's a cost-effective solution that you can give your old machine a new lease on life. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more practical tips on computer repair and maintenance.